Welcome back. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. We've got the pre-wash on today, and it's just about reached 60 degree. It's doing like, with it being only a bit in, it's doing some sort of little bits of power streams, and it's got the pressure to do that with only a bit in, when it's like just tea towels. Like that. Did you see it? A bit like a power stream though, because it's lightweight load and do only small items. That's why it does it. It doesn't really do power streams, but I'd class that as a bit of a power stream. Only got 52 minutes left of this cycle.